Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by locking a single niche and choosing 1 to 3 precise keywords that viewers search for. Once done, craft a thumbnail and title that promise the solving of a specific problem so clicks lead to watch time. Make sure your description and tags reflect search intent and timestamps. Publish on a consistent schedule and confirm your upload is public with playability on mobile. That initial cohesive signal tells YouTube you belong in suggested streams and starts algorithmic testing. You now focus on creating sustained watch signals that the algorithm values. Design your opening to hook viewers into watching at least one half of the video, then add chapters and playlists so viewers naturally continue to another related video. This increases session duration and boosts suggested potential. Once done, place a clear end screen and a single call to action to watch the next video. Make sure to prompt one specific comment to kickstart engagement. Replies and likes strengthen recommendation weight. You finish by amplifying good signals and fixing weak ones. Promote the best performing video into playlists and pin a comment linking to the next watch. This nudges viewers into the recommendation path. Monitor impressions to CTR and average view duration closely. Those two metrics decide if YouTube keeps showing your content. If the video isn't appearing in suggested feeds, change the thumbnail or title to improve CTR, and focus on boosting the first 60 seconds to raise early watch time. That often solves visibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.